Increased charging options. Access Tesla chargers to charge your electric vehicle. The new Tesla to J1772 adapter supports up to 48A charging and is uniquely designed to connect J1772 vehicles to Tesla chargers. Compatibility. Compatible with the Tesla high-powered wall connectors, all generation of destination chargers, and mobile connectors. With our adapter you can access 15,000 more charging stations for your J1772 vehicle. Quick charging. The J1772 charging adapter is the only adapter on the market that supports 48 amps of maximum current and 250 volts of maximum voltage. Portable. The Tesla adapter is compact and durable, making it ideal for charging on the go. Keep it conveniently in your car to charge your electric vehicle quickly and easily. UL certified. This electric car charging adapter has been UL certified and meets the strongest possible safety guidelines.